floor, straight down the middle. You can see what's coming for. Pay no mind to what you heard. Watch their actions, speaking louder than the word. I heard about New York, from Broadway down, and I heard about Chicago. A world, serious town. No doubt about it, no doubt about it. And I heard about Las Vegas and all that money that they blow. Money, no! Hear about my hometown. My boy Locke was first to call it Cleveland. Recognize game, 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 recognize game. The championship Cavaliers changing the play of the NBA, doing it in a dominant way. Fantastic three, King James, Love, Kyrie, controlling the perimeters, packing the paint, controlling the board, crashing that board. Playing the five, play the wing, moving it in a very fast pace. Deep in the bench, player to player, they all got grip to take that second trip to the championship in Cleveland. Recognize game, 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 recognize game. It's hard when a dealer has to watch his own back. Watch your back. Cause all the players of this game are all under attack. All the players, they seem to look alike. But one thing for sure, you got to keep them all in your sights. Keep them in sight. Momentum moving in a fast pace. Stay on your 360. Watch your perimeter. The time is moving, and it's not a race. Recognize game, recognize game, recognize game, recognize game, recognize game, recognize game, recognize game. Watch your back.